to be talking about how to deal with bullying at school. Autism is not something you can hide from anyone. You take the kid out, what will I do? Where will my kid go? Always remember it begins with you. If you are embarrassed about your child, the world will take advantage. Hello and welcome to Sashakt Empowering Lives. A very warm good evening to all of you, or whatever the time is across the globe, wherever you're seeing me. This is Rajni, your autism parenting coach. And like always, this week also, we have come with a topic that is of paramount importance to parents. And a lot of times I get questions from anxious parents about the topic. If you like our content, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, press the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that we make in the future. So without any further delay, let's very quickly get on to today's topic. Today, we are going to be talking about how to deal with bullying at school. This is a very important topic because parents are always anxious. What if somebody is bullying my child? My child doesn't have the ability to come back and tell, for especially those children who are not able to tell it like it is because of lack of language abilities. So, the first thing to do is have lots of buddies and friends in the school. Be quite active in the WhatsApp group. Number one, be very, very open about your child's condition. Don't be secretive, don't hide. Most of the times, when parents don't want to openly talk about the condition of the child, others think the child is adamant or obstinate or very, very naughty, and parents have not raised him well. They put words onto the child, labels that the child doesn't need. In Hindi, we say the word called battamiz, ill-mannered. That's what they think. But the behavior is not arising out of a lack of mannerism. It is because of the fact that the child is not in a position to conduct himself the way other children are conducting themselves. So, it has to be taught to the child, but until the child learns it completely, we have to stand by the child and even later on. So, point number one, be very open about your child's condition. Don't be secretive. Don't try to hide. Anyway, people will get to know about it. You cannot hide it. Autism is not something you can hide from anybody. Number two, be friends with the parents of other children, because when you are pally with people, they would want to support you. So if there is any bullying incidents happening within the same class, and if you are friends on the WhatsApp group and stuff, on the school WhatsApp group, and you are active with other parents, you are not isolated. You can raise a concern that my child is going through this problem. And parents will get together and counsel their children because they are in good books with you. But if you isolate yourself, which is what generally parents of children on the autism spectrum do, so in an inclusive setup, they kind of isolate, they don't mix around because of their own sadness that, my kid is like this. Somewhere the lack of acceptance and not feeling proud about your child, that comes in. And then they're not friends, so they cannot seek support. Number three, be very, very verbose, be very, very open to talk about the condition in the school. Don't keep taking it lying down thinking, oh, what if the school says it is your kid's fault, something my kid would have done. What if the school says you take the kid out, what will I do? Where will my kid go? Relax, there are many better schools. If there's a school that does not have the sensitivity, does not understand, we are not going to risk our child's self-esteem in a place like that. So go right up to the principal or the class teacher, whoever needed, with full confidence in your child. First of all, teach behavior correction to your child back home so that it is not your kid who's inviting trouble for himself. When your child is not actually actively getting involved into fights and being bullied, then you have every right to go forward. and you talk to the school management and say, I need this to be looked into, kindly call the parents of the child concerned so that this does not happen with my child. Always remember, it begins with you. If you are embarrassed about your child, the world will take advantage. If you're proud of your child, the world will be scared of taking advantage of your child. Yeah? And wherever you feel your child is lacking some kind of skill, go right ahead and teach it, because autism is workable. And always tell your child to be open and verbal about things. It's very, very important to grant the child the knowledge, the skill of speaking in full sentences. Please be informed that with autism, teaching language is a possibility, 100% yes. There is a complete system to it. The pyramid system, as designed by me at Sashakt Empowering Lives, which we use for our students, that works brilliantly like magic. So if you want to learn more about it, go right ahead, click in the description. The links are given where you can join our Insta Live every Tuesday. Also, every Friday, we do the masterclass 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And you can go ahead and join that and learn so that your child is safe. Always remember, empowerment begins with the parent at home. If you are an empowered parent, you will ensure your child is empowered and further on ensure that your child is safe in the world outside. May each kid win.